Prenups can be beneficial for more reasons than one. A prenuptial agreement, or a prenup for short, is a contract signed by two people before getting married to set out how their property will be divided if they end up getting a divorce. It can also lay out the financial terms of the marriage, like whether you and your spouse will share a bank account or maintain separate ones. In Maine, it's also known as a premarital agreement. In this video, we'll cover what Maine law has to say about prenups, what prenups can and cannot include, and how to draft one that will stand up in court. Make sure that you watch to the end of this video to grab a template for a Maine prenuptial agreement. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of official legal documents. Let's look for a moment at what Maine law says about prenups. Maine is among the 28 states that have adopted their own versions of the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act, which was written in 1983 to standardize prenup laws across the country. According to the law, a prenup must be in writing and signed by both parties before the marriage in order to be legally valid. The statute also requires both parties to furnish all necessary documents. What this means is that each party has to be thorough, complete, and honest about what he or she owes and owns before the agreement gets signed. If one party doesn't fully understand the other party's financial situation at the time of signing the agreement, a court can later throw it out. So, what can and cannot be included in a Maine prenuptial agreement? A prenup in Maine can cover a variety of different issues, including the rights and obligations to property, the amount and duration of alimony, death benefits from life insurance, and more. Child custody or child support, however, is not allowed to be included in a prenup under Maine law. Instead, courts reserve the right to determine child custody based on what's in the child's best interest at the time of the parents' separation. Next, let's go over how you can draft a prenup that will stand up in court. There are a number of reasons why a prenup can be invalidated in a Maine court of law. The two primary reasons are: one of the spouses did not sign the agreement voluntarily, or the terms of the agreement are unconscionable or severely unfair due to undisclosed assets or debts. That could mean that a spouse withheld financial information, including assets or debts, at the time of signing. Lastly, keep in mind that prenuptial agreements in Maine can be modified or revoked anytime during any time after the couple is married, as long as it's put in writing and signed by both parties. You can get an agreement that will be accepted by a Maine court at the link right here. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button so you can access more videos that guide you through some of life's most complicated and potentially costly situations.